welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Heath Eustace and today I have the pleasure of taking you for a walk around tour of our 2018 Amarok V6 TDI550 Dark Label Limited Edition. And what better place to start than the front of the vehicle? As you can see, it's finished in metallic black. It does also have the bi-xenon headlights as well. We've got this factory tinted bonnet protector, obviously just to stop some paint chips and that sort of thing on the leading edge of the bonnet. Moving around to the right hand side of the car, you can see that we've got the 18x9 American Racing alloy wheels, which are on a slightly more aggressive offset from factory just to fill out the flares a little bit more. And it does have an as new BFG KO2 all-terrain tyre as well. Suspension wise, it's got a brand new Dobinsons 2-inch front lift as well, just to balance out the ride height, because the Amaroks ride a little bit higher in the back than what they do the front, so the 2-inch front lift just evens it out. Obviously gives you a little bit more ground clearance, but just looks a little bit nicer as well. Moving down the right hand side of the car, you can see that paintwork is all in really good order. It does have the factory side steps down here as well, which are in that matte black finish. Moving up, we've got the Dark Label badge, tinted windows on the back, we've got the weather shields, and we also have the roof platform on top there as well. They're good for storing extra long items or any items that don't fit in the car or in the tub. Moving down to the back of the car, the Dark Label gets a lot of black accenting on there as well. So we've got the black rear bumper. We've also got the black sports bars up the top. This one's also got the roll and lock lid on there as well, so we can lock that up, keep all your valuables in the back. Opening the tailgate, we also have the gas strut, which has been fitted down the side here as well. It just makes life a lot nicer. The tailgate doesn't crash down. They just finished a little bit nicer. Condition of the tailgate's all pretty good as well. It does have a couple of sort of small little chips just across the face here. And there was one sort of small little pin dent that I did see along here as well. Nothing major, but we like to be open and honest with these videos, especially for our interstate buyers. Genuine Volkswagen tow bar, which is 3.5 ton towing capacity. Obviously with a 3-litre V6, you're not going to know that anything's behind you. It's got plenty of power. Moving down the left hand side of the car, you can see that it's equally as clean down here as well. Once again, American Racing alloy wheels with those new BFGs on there. It's in really good order, this vehicle. With only just around 20,000 kilometres from brand new. As you'd expect, it's been a really well cared for car. It's certainly one of the nicest examples that are on the market. And if we actually just bring the camera down the side, just talking about the wheel offset, you can see that it basically sits just flush with the guards, so it looks a little bit nicer than the factory wheel offset, which with the extra flares looks a little bit skinny in my opinion. Okay, so under the bonnet we've got a common rail 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. It's mated by an 8-speed automatic transmission, so plenty of gears to choose from, and it's a silky smooth transmission. It is a constant all-wheel drive. Power output on this motor is 165 kilowatts or up to 180 kilowatts on overboost function, 550 newton meters of torque. Fuel consumption is 9 litres per 100 kilometres on average cycle, and you do have an 80 litre fuel tank as well, so you're going to get plenty of range out of the vehicle. So great for family holidays, great for if you're towing, or if you need it for work purposes as well. It's going to pull anything that you need it to. So inside the Amarok, we have a nice leather bound steering wheel with our audio controls and our Bluetooth controls over here. We've got paddle shift behind the steering wheel as well, so to go back down through our gears on the left hand side and up through our gears on the right hand side. Cruise control and indicator on the left hand side, and obviously wipers which have an automatic function on the right hand side. As I said, just on 20,000 odd kilometres, really nice, easy to read instrument cluster. Got our automatic headlight control down here, power windows over to the side, power exterior mirrors with the heated function over here. And moving into the center console, we've got the color touchscreen audio system with satellite navigation. which also has an integrated reversing camera as well, so really nice clarity there. The system's really fast, nice and responsive as well, which makes all the difference in my opinion. Nothing worse than putting in street directions into a navigation system which just takes ages to load, so a really good system. Moving down, dual zone climate control, so we can have each side of the car in a different temperature zone. Further down, we've got heated seats for the front seats. We've got 12-volt power outlet and on both sides, or cigarette lighter. Stability control, rear differential lock, and off-road mode as well, which basically adjusts the ABS braking system to sort of, I guess, better enhance itself for off-road situations. And I believe that also does have downhill speed control as well, so we'll just have to double check that one. Seats in the Dark Label are a Vienna leather, so all around, and you also get leather trim on your console and also on your headrest as well. And part of the Dark Label edition is that you get the black roof lining as well, so which in my opinion just looks a little bit better than the beige trim. But as you can see, it's in really good order in here. There's no marks or tears or damage to the seats. The steering wheel's in great condition. It's been a really well cared for car as well. It does have service history as well, including just being serviced by us, so you're not going to need to do anything once you take delivery of the car. There you have it. That's a full walk around tour of our 2018 Amarok Dark Label edition. Hopefully you got plenty out of the video. Sorry my acting skills aren't very good though. If you do have any more questions, please give us a call on 03 9907 0555. Remember, we can arrange transport Australia-wide. We can take finance applications over the phone, and the car does qualify for one of our premium mechanical protection plans, and there's more information about that in the link below. Thanks for watching.